Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. Hope you people are doing good. Do you want to know about omnienter.com? If yes, then watch this video because this unbiased review will help you either you should buy anything from this store or not, as people from all over the world, especially from United States, are very curious to know about the legitimacy of this portal. So let's check out the detail. Omnienter is an online site that claims to sell shoes which are suitable for men, women and kids. Moreover, they have offered several discounts over purchasing for publicity such as 12 days refund and return policy. They claim that their products are recent and are of varied shape. Let's check out the specification of the site. The site offers payment in different modes including PayPal, MasterCard and debit card. They sell trendy and classic shoes for men, women and teenagers. They have mentioned their return and refund policy. Within 12 hours of your delivery you can return the product, and there is no return of personalized item. It is HTTPS secured website. They have mentioned the email address, but there is no clue of any contact detail. There is a social media icon of Facebook present over the site, but no product description page. Icon of Twitter and Pinterest are seen. When we check out more detail, we found that the Facebook link present over the site was active, but we have found no comment on the website Facebook page. The refund amount will be credited to your account within 5 to 10 business days if refund is accepted. There is no information of any official address that may create suspicion amongst the buyer. As far as standard shipping is concerned, it took 12 to 20 days, but if you priority insured shipment will consume 5 to 12 days. You can enjoy free shipping over the order of $79 plus. Let's check out the positive point of the website. Omnienter sells a huge variety of shoes of different textures. The portal offers free shipping when you purchase product over $79. The shoes provided by them was washable and lightweight. For any query, you can contact on email address. The drawbacks of the site are: the website impart a low trust rank of 3.8 out of 100 and low trust score of 1%. When we check out the reviews, and we found the social media link of Facebook on the home page is active, however no reviews could be found on that page. Contact number and official address over the site are absent. Even no reviews are available on Trustpilot. Here question is: Omnienter scam or legit? As we are checking out the parameter to check out the genuineness of the site, we found that the content of the site is plagiarized and it is a suspicious activity. It has a poor trust rank and trust score. It is newly created website that also create doubt. There is no information available regarding the owner of the site, and it is also again a suspicious activity. As we all know that customer reviews are a great help for us to decide the legitimacy of the site, and we found that the website has failed to gain popularity due to absence of vital information including customer reviews, and we found that the site has no user comment even over the Trustpilot. So in our final verdict, we can say that it is not a trustworthy website at all. You must not trust on this website, and you must not buy anything from this store. And if you have personal experience of shopping from Omnienter, please share your experience and views with us. Write in the comment box. From our point of view, it is a questionable and suspicious website, so we recommend you to stay away from this site.